In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward multiple emails in Gmail. If you've ever tried to forward several messages one by one, you know how time-consuming it can be. The good news is that Gmail has a built-in option that lets you send them all at once in a single message by forwarding them as attachments. Here's how to do it clearly and efficiently. First, open Gmail in your web browser and go to your inbox. This method works best on a computer, since the desktop interface gives you the options you need in one place. Look through your inbox and decide which messages you want to include. To select them, use the small checkboxes that appear to the left of each email in the list. You can select 2, 3, or as many as you need, and you can combine messages from different senders or dates. Once your emails are selected, right-click anywhere on the highlighted messages to bring up the context menu. From the menu, click Forward as Attachment. Gmail will automatically create a new Compose window with all the selected emails attached as files. Each email appears as its own attachment, preserving the original content and headers, so the recipient can open and read them exactly as they were received. In the Compose window, add the recipient's email address in the To field. It's a good idea to write a clear subject line that explains what you're sending, like requested email thread attachments or something similar. In the message body, include a brief note to provide context, such as why you're forwarding these messages or what the recipient should look for. If you change your mind about any message, you can remove an attachment by clicking the small X on it before sending. Before you hit send, take a quick moment to review. Make sure you've selected the correct emails, confirm the recipient's address, and check that everything is appropriate to share. Keep in mind that large attachments add up. If the combined size gets too big, Gmail may prompt you to use a cloud link instead. Also note that this feature may not appear in all mobile apps, so using a desktop browser is the most reliable approach. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipient will receive one email containing all the selected messages as attachments, making it much easier for them to review multiple items in one place. That's all there is to it. Fast, organized, and done in just a few clicks.